I've got a 2013 Toyota 2.4 liter. This is a hybrid edition. So we're going to be replacing the cabin filter. So to replace the cabin filter, unlock this. Now that that's open, just remove anything that you have back here. Take it all out. Let me turn on my light a bit. Alright, there you go. You're gonna see the locking tab right over here. Unlock it for that. Take it out. It's gonna be a locking tab right over here. Go ahead and take that out. And over here is our air filter. Let's go on and take it out. Once that's out, grab your brand new cabin. Make sure you put it the right way. In this case, it's saying that up is upwards. It's up. So, go ahead and install it. Sure it goes all the way in. Now put the cover back in. Now that that's in, go ahead and put the cover. And now that that's in, go ahead and grab whatever was back in there and put it back in. And now that that's in, go ahead and close. And that's how you do your cabin.